Pragya Pathak, and I'm on a mission to help more than 1 million youths in finding their purpose and creating a world of positivity and happiness with fulfillment. So, now if you're new to this channel, kindly consider subscribing. I will keep on motivating you, I'll keep on accountable in this journey of life. And we received one question which I'm going to answer. So, how to accomplish the work which we just do not like, but it is required to be done. In my previous video, I received one question wherein Savanik was asking that how to find a purpose in a work which you just don't like, and that's fair enough, but it is required to be done. So what should we do in certain situations? We just hate the work, but we know that it is important to be done, right? We all face it every single day. In most of the times we definitely face it. So one question which I want to ask you, Savanik, here is, you have already said that which is required to be done. So the work is important, isn't it? So it's a big enough purpose. You don't like it, that's a different feeling, but the work is required or needed to be done, isn't it? For example, if you want to reach somewhere, whether you like the traveling or not, you have to do it. So many a times, to achieve certain thing, to get things done, to reach to a goal, we need to do few things which we do not like in the process, because you are focused in your goal and you are willing to do whatever it takes. For example, I love empowering lives, I love sharing my message, I love creating videos. I love the feeling when people are motivated and inspired by my videos. But what if I tell you I just don't like shooting, or I don't like editing and talking in front of camera where nobody is there? No, even if I don't like editing and all those stuffs, I have to do it till the time I'm not being able to delegate somebody or nobody is there, because I'm interested in the outcome. I'm loving the process, one part of it. I'm not loving the other part of it, because I know it will help me in achieving my purpose. So ask this question to yourself, that it's okay even if I don't like it, but is this work, is this certain activity, is it helping me in achieving my bigger purpose? Is it adding on to it? Yes, it needs to be done. There will not be any time when you will feel like doing anything. Yes, it is the reality. In your heart you know that this work and this certain activity is required or need to be done. But what happens? बाद में कर लेंगे, अभी मन नहीं कर रहा है. That's how our mind is. That's how we see other people living casually, not being focused. So 99 to 90% of people are like that only. So we also receive their energy and we just get distracted and demotivated and we don't like it. But the thing is, we should focus that why I started it, because you already answered that it is important to be done. So hold on to your purpose. Just understand this, that you will never feel like doing certain act or doing certain thing, but you got to do it because you have to hold on to your purpose, because it is required. Even if the feeling is not so good, keep doing it, because it is for your highest good. Those people who keep acting based on their feelings, they do not do anything in their life, because sometimes you're going to feel good about something, sometimes about the similar thing you're going to feel bad. So what will you do? You'll keep on quitting? That's not how winners and the warriors are. Hold on to your purpose. That is, if the purpose is higher, there will be many staircases, many processes and many things which will be required to be done by you. And you are doing it because it is for your purpose, it is for your highest good. and that's why you will not quit it even if you will not feel good while doing it. Don't base your actions over your feelings. It will ruin your life. Hope you got the understanding. Thank you so much for watching this video, and comment what do you think. Are your actions based upon your feelings, or you are in control of your actions and you consciously feel and act? Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and share this message with the world, and let's create a wave of positivity. Thank you so much. Bye bye.